So, is that day of the year when Apple decides to surprise us. July 29 in the middle of the summer, when no one, including me, was expecting that there would be like a major update to the iOS betas. And Apple has done something that they never did before. Oh, yeah, an Apple Intelligence is here. What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe. Forgive me for the new location and everything. This is a new setup over here. If you hear a little bit of echo, I truly apologize for that. I'm working on this setup right now. It's a new space that I will be recording some videos in, and for the time being, it's good. It caught me off guard, to be honest, because I was not expecting any kind of Apple news nowadays. And Apple has one-upped us and decided July 29 in the middle of the summer when everyone is on their summer vacation to drop the bomb of Apple Intelligence. And Apple has done a weird thing that they never did before, which is before the final version of iOS is out, they already showed us, or they already given us, the .1 version of the OS. So iOS 18 is not out yet. It's in a developer beta 4, and it will not be out fully for the public until September. But they already gave us the developer beta of iOS 18.1. And in iOS 18.1 is Apple Intelligence. Not all the features, not everything, but some of it. But I live in the European Union. What's it like over here? Can I use it? I have an American account. Can I use it? Short answer, no. Long answer, no. How is it possible that with an American account, with my phone set, the region as US, English everything, I'm still not able to use Apple Intelligence? And not just me, not just the 400 million people in the European Union, but also 1.4 billion people in China are not able to use Apple Intelligence either. So it is a very interesting question. Will the developers get access to this or no? Probably not, because this is exactly what's happening right now. Not even the developer beta is accessible from here in the EU. I tried spoofing the GPS location of my phone. I was thinking maybe it's GPS based. And even spoofing the location of the phone does not work. Somehow Apple exactly knows where your phone is and does not allow the phones to work with Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is the new AI, hence Apple Intelligence, built into the iOS. iOS 18.1 is the first version that shows us all of the things that were promised back in June at WWDC from Apple. And it's pretty cool. From the videos that I saw, it's pretty cool, and I'm missing out so much. My plan is to get a ticket and go to the UK and just, chill in London for a day and try out Apple Intelligence, because I truly think it's really cool, and I don't know. I want to try it for you guys. Would a European Union Apple account in the UK work with Apple Intelligence? Or does it just work with my American account? Because I have an American account, I have a European account, so I can actually test this for you guys, and I actually will test this for you guys once I arrive to London. The thing is, when you download this operating system, the iOS 18.1, you have an option in settings to turn on Apple Intelligence. There's a waiting list, then you get approved, and then you can use it. Right now, the major features are not in there yet. Image playgrounds, when you generate images, just like in ChatGPT or DALL-E, is not in there. Genmoji, which is generative emoji, not in there. A lot of things are still missing. Siri 2.0 did arrive, and Siri 2.0 looks cool. The design of it is really, really nice, but it's not as smart as ChatGPT at this current moment. So what I've seen from the demos is you can talk to it. It does understand context, so you can ask questions, and then you can ask questions relating to that question without telling Siri the question again. So you can ask, what did this sports team play? You can ask what did this sports team play? And then, okay, who was the top scorer? And it's gonna recognize the question and answer it for you. But it kind of messes up. But it's only beta 1, so there's a long way to go until October. And this is the second talking point about October. Yeah, this is not coming out with iPhone 16s. This is coming out after. Yes. So iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max are going to come out with no Apple Intelligence, and we're going to have to wait until October, maybe even November, to have Apple Intelligence publicly for everybody. And even then, the major features are not going to arrive. So Image Playgrounds, probably not going to arrive this year. Genmoji, probably not going to arrive this year. There are many new features in iOS 18.1 that I will do a video on, but the most important thing right now in Apple Intelligence is basically the text proofreading and rephrasing. So you can say goodbye to Grammarly and these kind of applications because Apple is going to do it phenomenally. What I saw from the videos, I cannot say it myself. I only saw a lot of YouTubers do videos on this. I will try it out. I will go to London for you guys. I'm gonna try it with many accounts that I have to see if it is actually GPS based or if there is a way to activate it in the EU to try and test it out. If you guys know anything about this, then there's the comment section down below. Let me know because I would love to try it out. I would love to play around with this. Siri 2.0's animation looks amazing and really it looks very cool, and I think it's the next generation of iPhone. Now, on when we will get it in the European Union, as Apple said before that it's coming in 2025, so we're gonna have to wait another half a year minimum, but more likely 9 months. Spring of 2025 with a 0.4 update, EU might get it and China might get it. I think Apple does not want to miss out on 1.8 billion people using this software. So it is something, important for them. But because of the regulations here in the European Union, which is crazy that what they're making do Apple, and I totally go against it, it is, well, a sad situation and we cannot use it. Apple Intelligence right now is out for iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPads with M series chips in it, so M1, M2, M4, and all the MacBooks with M1, M2, M3, and there's no M4 yet, but probably there will be soon. So I don't know. If you are in the EU and you got it to work somehow, let me know down in the comment section below. If you're outside of the EU, tell me your experience. I really want to know your experience. Everything down in the comment section below. Until my next video, stay safe, hang loose. Oh yeah, guys, and don't forget, bestiPhoneaccessories.com. That's where you find the best iPhone accessories for your phone. Let that be iPhone, let that be an iPad or Mac. You can find accessories for basically all of your Apple products. Best iPhone Accessories is where you find Apollo products, Apollo 333, Apollo Armor, Apollo Color Bump. All the Apollo accessories are available on bestiPhoneaccessories.com or apollo-accessories.com. Check it out now. Link is down in the description below.